Hello and welcome to Trade with Alicia. Today we're going to introduce you to the fascinating world of options trading. If you're looking for a way to enhance your investment strategy and potentially increase your returns, options trading might be just what you need. So let's dive in. Options are financial contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specific price on or before a certain date. There are two main types, calls and puts. Let's break it down with an analogy. Think of options like insurance for your car. When you buy car insurance, you pay a premium for the right to have the insurance company cover your losses if you have an accident. Similarly, when you buy an option, you pay a premium for the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price. Or let's say you're considering buying a new car in 6 months. You like a particular model priced at $30,000, but you're worried the price might go up. You could pay a $1,000 option fee to the dealer for the right to buy the car at $30,000 anytime in the next 6 months. So, what are the possible outcomes? If the car's price goes up to $35,000, you can use your option to buy it for $30,000, saving $5,000 minus your $1,000 fee. If the price stays the same or goes down, you might choose not to use the option. You lose the $1,000 fee, but you're not obligated to buy the car. This is similar to how call options work in the stock market. Put options would be like having the right to sell your car at a set price, protecting you from a drop in value. Now, why do traders use options? 1. Protection. Like insurance, options can protect your investments from unfavorable price movements. 2. Speculation. Bet on price changes with less capital than buying the stock outright. 3. Income. Earn money by selling options, similar to how an insurance company collects premiums. 4. Flexibility. Options offer various strategies for different market conditions. Remember, while options can be powerful tools, they also come with risks. It's crucial to understand them fully before trading. To summarize, options are versatile financial instruments that can enhance your investment strategy. They offer protection, potential for profit, and flexibility in various market conditions. This introduction is just the beginning. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore specific types of options, pricing factors, and popular strategies in more detail. And that's it. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more trading insights. Our next video will dive deeper into call options. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.